everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Tanaj Nikki, and today I'm going to be going over some styling options that are not labeled maternity but will work out for you throughout your maternity journey. Currently it's the winter season for me as I enter my third trimester. So all of these styling options are definitely going to be long sleeve, layers, or sweater dresses. But these rules do pretty much transcend any season. So if you're catching this and you're in the dead of summer and you still want some styling tips, I promise you these rules still apply to you too. So if you're interested in content like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you're subscribing, make sure you click the notification bell so you know about everything I've come out here on YouTube. So let's get into it. Let's start out with working with two-piece sets. This is a two-piece set that is a cropped long sleeve and an elongated skirt. I paired it here with tall black boots, but any style shoe can hold with this outfit, including flats or sneakers. I will say one of the main things that allow this to be maternity friendly is the ruching. There's ruching on both the crop and all the way through this elongated skirt. I've actually styled this skirt before as a dress itself. That's how long it is, and that's how much give it has as far as the ruching goes. So I knew it was going to work for maternity wise to accommodate for the belly. Two-piece sets like this, again, are very versatile. You can wear them any time of year. And you can find hundreds of variations of them all over the internet. I will link a similar set to this one in the description box below. Next, we're going to talk about a bodycon dress, which, funny enough, a bodycon dress that was popularized recently by Kim K's Skim line. This dress is not that, but it does fall along the same design. This has t-shirt-like material, and what I did was I did buy it a size larger than I typically do, and that's another great tip. If you find a dress that is pretty form-fitting and you're not sure the stretch of the material, I would go a size up. And almost any time, as long as the dress is long enough, it'll accommodate for your growing belly. I paired this dress with some high top Vans, and this is a very cute, comfortable, and casual look. One of the main reasons why I wanted to get a dress like this particularly is because I was looking for items that I can wear postpartum without having any styling issues, and something like this I can definitely wear after the fact. Again, the sizing up trick I think is the key here when you're looking for something that's like bodycon or a little form-fitting and it isn't necessarily labeled as something stretchy. That's how you can get around buying strictly a maternity style dress. Now this next group of dresses I'm going to kind of clump together. They have similar properties to it, but the main thing is that these are sweater dresses. So sweater dresses is something that definitely usually has the capacity to stretch because they're usually ribbed. The ones I'm showing you here are variations of size as far as how tight the knit is. The striped one here that I'm pairing with the fuchsia pumps has the tightest knitting, so I knew it was definitely going to be able to stretch to the point where it accommodated for my stomach. And this one I would say is the most form-fitting of the sweater dresses that I'm showing here. This olive dress I'm pairing with some bone-colored booties. It kind of resembles the dress that's gone viral on TikTok, and I think it's a cider dress is the name of the brand. This is kind of like a bit of a knockoff of that. It has the same kind of build. This one is much heavier and thicker, but it still allows for that expansion. I honestly could have worn a small with this one. Just by the build of the dress, it's a little bit bulkier. It being a size medium gives me more enough room that I could wear this well into third trimester and not have any sizing issues. Now I will say with these two in particular, the length of the dress also helps accommodate for any stretching that might happen with the belly. If this was a mid-thigh dress, you may not be as comfortable. The dress is much shorter than it would normally be. So that's another tip. The longer the dress, the easier it is to allow for accommodations around the belly when you're looking to stretch a straight size out. Now I am going to show you this third dress that is a straight size, but when I tell you it looks identical to the maternity dresses that I was looking for. When I was looking for what to wear to my baby shower, this dress came up a dozen times under maternity. But this is not a maternity dress. This is a sweater dress that has where you can cinch the waist, and it looks more maternity as you tie the bow above the belly. This does have the loosest knit pattern when it comes to the sweater dresses, and this one is actually significantly shorter than I thought it would be, but of course that's because it's accommodating for the extra fabric usage around the belly. So I'm pairing it here with some over the knee gray olive boots. I love these boots. And again, when it comes to shoes, my shoes that I'm presenting here may not be as practical as what I would wear every day. This is more for styling than anything else. Or, you know, like to go sit and look cute, not necessarily run around town. I definitely had to expand my shoe collection when I was preparing for second and third trimester. That's another video, so if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. And still, this is a sweater dress that looks adorable. And again, this is very much not a maternity dress. This is a straight size and a size medium. And I will show you guys down in the description box below other examples of dresses like this. this. I'm excited to have it postpartum and be able to wear it once or twice as I enter this 3rd trimester. Now, all of those rules that I said for these sweater dresses, if you're looking for something in the warmer season and you don't want to obviously wear a sweater dress, those rules pretty much apply to anything that has stretch or ruching to it. As long as there's enough fabric in terms of length to accommodate the extra fabric you'll be using around your stomach. It's a stretchy fabric in general. Most straight sizes will accommodate you for the majority of your pregnancy. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys a combination that I am in love with. This is a bodysuit plus a cardigan. I purchased this bodysuit late last year here in a Temu haul. It is a size large. As you see with the stretch here, it accommodated for my stomach very well. But I have styled this jumpsuit several times. If you look on my social media, I've styled it I think like 4 or 5, 6 times prior to being pregnant. So this is a very versatile piece. I would suggest, if you're comfortable enough wearing a bodysuit like this, getting it in a basic color and being able to build on it, it is such a staple. And luckily enough, mine still fits me being 6 months pregnant. I paired it here with a cream colored cardigan, and I have these cream colored boots to offset it, and it's such a cute combination. I really enjoy this outfit. If you're someone who's just not comfortable wearing a bodysuit as is, having the cardigan adds the modesty and also an opportunity for styling. And last but not least is the combination that I'm wearing right now. This is a blue cable knit sweater dress that I'm pairing along with black leggings and black booties. Now, out on the town, I'm actually wearing like snow type boots because it is snowing where I am right now. But indeed, this is a sweater dress that just looks like a tunic or an elongated sweater. This is in a junior size medium, and I didn't pay attention to the size. I thought it was a typical medium, like a women's medium. In my mind, it was much longer than what it is on my body. Right now it cuts with me right at the hip, so it just looks like a form-fitting tunic. And again, that is another tip. If you're looking for elongated tops to cover the stomach, look at short dresses. It kind of gives the same effect, plus it allows for the coverage of your stomach. And the best thing is, when you're postpartum, it can still be a long shirt or even a dress. This outfit is such a cute combination, and I am quite comfortable in it. Leggings here are also a straight size, but they do have a wide band that allows for it to sit comfortably on my stomach. Otherwise, I would suggest using maternity leggings to achieve this look. Alright guys, those are maternity styling tips using straight size clothing. Many of these items you already have in your closet. Let me know if I missed any, or if you feel like something I said might be a little bit of a stretch for some of you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you're subscribed, make sure you click the notification bell to notify of everything I have coming out here on YouTube. Follow me on social media. I'm at Tanaj that is on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.